Push on this. Push. Push hard. Push hard. Push.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight.
Is that an airplane?
You want to put it on the ground? No. Okay. Ready?
Ready for takeoff. Here we go.
Ready?
Airplane.
Ready?
Vroom.
What do you say? And ready.
There's people inside?
I think that's from Duty.
That. Is that your airplane? Who's that from? Is that from Nana and Papa?
No.
No?
You should do it on the ground. You have more room. Did
You want to do it right here on the
You want to push
floor?
on the ground? No, we're going to eat dinner. We're going to eat dinner first.